Welcome to our channel. I want to show you how to extract seed from pawpaw to be rest assured that it's female that you are getting, not me. So you first of all cut the head aside, you cut the button also, you cut it aside. Then it's the middle seed that you are going to use. See how I'm cutting it, that's how you are going to do it. So it's the middle one that we are going to use. That one give you a rest of mind that you are getting at least female, 90%, 95% female by using the middle seed. So after that, you burst it, and wash it. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and turn on the notification bell. So I've burst it, you burst it and remove the fleshing, something that look like flesh in there. You burst it, you remove it, then I'll finish busting it and then remove the fleshing part of it. So I'll now rinse it with water, then put it under the sun to dry. You can put it under the sun to dry. That's all. So this one, at least it will give you 90% sure that your distance female is not there like that. So subscribe to our channels and turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. Bye bye. Thank you.